All right, welcome back for another very challenging problem. This is number 41. Okay, full disclosure, what makes this so hard is that they want the answer exact. If we could just write the answer in decimals, it would be so much easier. But since math is an exact science, I will listen to the publishers of the book, and I will show you how to get this as an exact answer. That's not going to be my concern, and that is not your concern on the air test, just so you know. Okay, but you're held to a higher standard because you guys are accelerated. Is that okay for everybody? They told us that this radius is 3, okay? So watch what I'm going to do here. Let me use, I guess, green for that. Okay. What's this right here? That is x. So the entire green segment is 3 plus x. Just keep that in mind. Okay? How long is this one right here? That is also x. So now I'm going to make a right triangle. Okay? You'll see that part of that is 3. Do you agree? All right, now here's the tricky part. Ready? How long is it from here to here? It is 2x. So how long is it from here to there? It is 2x. So this entire segment is 2x. So this pink segment is 2x, no, minus 3, the pink segment. This entire pink segment. So maybe it would be easier if I just erase that. Okay, now someone set me up an equation, please. X plus 3 squared. Thank you, Hannah. Does everybody understand what I just wrote down? Just Pythag, complicated Pythag. Next we got to do what acronym? We have to FOIL. So that's x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals x squared plus 4x squared minus 24x plus 9. That's what we have left. So let's move this 6x over here by subtracting it. So you get 0 is 4x squared. No, I think it should be 4. I've canceled those x squareds. So 4x squared minus 30x. Okay? Anyone know where to go next? You can't divide by x. Factor. How do I factor that? That's right, a 2x. Okay, I just caught a mistake, luckily. This should be a minus 12x. When I subtract 6x, this becomes a minus 18x. And then that becomes a minus 9. That's what I got earlier. Okay? Everybody see the mistake I made? So x equals 0, which it doesn't. Or 2x minus 9 equals 0. Right? So 2x is 9. So x is 9 halves. Got it? All right, now, so the area. They want the shaded area. The shaded area will be, let's just write the semicircle, big semicircle. That's going to be pi times, well, x is 9/2. So what's the radius of the semicircle? 9. So it's pi times 81, but it's a semicircle, so it's divided by 2. So that's 81 over 2 pi. Okay? We're just going to remember that. What about the little semicircle? What's the radius of the little semicircle? It's 9 over 2 squared. So it's 81 over 4 pi. But how many semicircles do we have? So we're going to multiply that by 2. Uh-oh. No, I never divided it by 2 in the first place. That's right. Okay? So then I have to double that. So the area of the little semicircle is 81 pi over 4. Okay? What about the area of the little circle? What's that? 9 pi. So, the shaded area is going to be 81 pi over 2 minus 81 pi over 4 minus 9 pi, which simplifies to 81 pi over 4 minus 9 pi. And that's the exact answer. Be easier in decimals. Boom!